Hey guys, Picture here. In today's episode of Space Engine, I'm going to be talking about Saturn. Now, Saturn is 10 times as far away from the Sun as the Earth, and it's 10 times the Earth's diameter, so it's pretty big. I think I mentioned this before in Jupiter's video, but the rings you see on Saturn and Jupiter and other planets, they're made out of tiny particles that were before they were asteroids and comets. So from the sun, it's 1,510 million kilometers away. So if you convert that to astronomical units, it'll be 10.09 astronomical units. The orbital period is 29.46 Earth years, because that's how it is. If a planet is farther away from the sun, then it takes longer for it to complete its revolution. So the length of its day would be 10.62 Earth hours. The orbital speed is actually 10.2 to 9.1 kilometers per second, and its physical data will be like how it looks and stuff. So the diameter. So I said it's 10 times like the diameter of the Earth. So it will be 120,536 kilometers. And then its volume, I don't know how they measured it, but it's 827 million kilometers. So basically do 765 times Earth. And then the gravity would be 1.066 of the Earth. So 1.066 times Earth. So if we were to step on the planet, which we can't because it's a gas giant and you can't step on it if it has no solid. If it's not solid, then it doesn't really matter anyway. And the surface temperature would be 82 to 143 Kelvin, or negative 191 to negative 130 Celsius. So that's cold. And yeah. Also, yeah, that was it. Anyways, let's check out its moons. So as you can see, it has a lot of moons. Let's see if I remember. I think one of them, I'll find it. One of them was Titan. Some of you might have heard of it. Let's see. Well, if you haven't watched, there's Prometheus. If you haven't watched Cosmos or something, then it mentioned Titan. Let's make this easier and put Titan. Yes, there it is. It's over there, and if you watched it, you see that it has liquid, not water, but just liquid. And then they went into the water. I mean, they don't know what's there, but they just went in. And this is pretty good. This is really, most people, well, I'd say it would be my favorite one because of that episode on Cosmos. That's just me. Because, the water and stuff. Well, liquid water. I want to try to take a closer look at its rings. Let's see. I never tried this before, I don't think. Go. Wait a second. Will it show it? Well, It doesn't show it, but to me it kind of looks cool. So let's just take a look around the planet. You can see under the top the poles. Yeah, so that was Saturn. The next video is gonna be, I believe, Neptune or Uranus. No pun intended. Anyways, that was the video. I'll see you in the next one.